Bonsai myths that beginners still believe. Have you ever believed that bonsai trees are impossible to keep alive or that they only grow indoors? Well, you're not alone. Today we're going to bust some of the biggest bonsai myths that beginners still believe. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to take care of your bonsai like a pro. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Bonsai Barn, and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on more bonsai tips and tricks. Let's dive in. Myth number 1. Bonsai are hard to keep alive. A lot of beginners think that bonsai trees are fragile and need constant attention. But that's not true. Bonsai care is all about consistency. If you understand bonsai watering tips, bonsai tree maintenance, and pruning techniques, your bonsai can live a long, healthy life. Choose the right species and take care of your bonsai's needs, and you'll see your tree thrive. So, what part of bonsai care is the hardest for you? Drop a comment below. Myth number 2. You need special soil for bonsai. Many beginners think you need to buy expensive special soil for your bonsai trees. While it's true that bonsai soil should drain well and allow for aeration, you don't need to break the bank. A simple mix of akadama, pumice, and lava rock works great for many species. But don't worry, you can experiment with your own mix to meet your bonsai's needs. What's your go-to soil mix for bonsai? Let me know in the comments. Myth number 3. Bonsai trees only grow indoors. Did you know that many bonsai trees thrive outdoors? Some species, like junipers, pines, and maples, need sunlight, fresh air, and seasonal changes to do their best. Bonsai light requirements vary, so it's important to choose the right tree for your environment. Indoor bonsai are great, but outdoor species can offer you more variety and beauty in your collection. Do you prefer indoor or outdoor bonsai care? Tell me where your trees live. Myth number 4. Bonsai don't need pruning. Pruning is actually one of the most important parts of bonsai care. Without regular pruning, your bonsai won't develop a balanced shape or healthy branches. Bonsai pruning techniques allow you to shape your tree, remove dead wood, and promote new growth. It's essential for the long-term health of your bonsai. How often do you prune your bonsai? Let me know what works best for you. Myth number 5. You shouldn't water bonsai often. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is not watering their bonsai enough. While bonsai trees don't want to be soaked all the time, they do need consistent watering. Bonsai watering tips include checking soil moisture and making sure the tree gets watered deeply when it needs it. A dry bonsai is a sad bonsai. How do you keep track of your bonsai's watering needs? Share your watering routine in the comments. So, those are just a few of the most common bonsai myths we're busting today. Remember, bonsai care isn't about perfection. It's about learning what your tree needs and understanding its unique characteristics. If you're ready to dive deeper into bonsai care, make sure you check out our other videos on bonsai pruning, repotting, and species selection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your own bonsai care tips or myths you used to believe. Happy bonsai growing, and I'll see you in the next video. For more beginner bonsai tips and to learn advanced bonsai techniques, check out our full playlist.